Apple just launched its brand new iPad Pro with an M4 chipset and a slightly bigger screen. If you decide to get the new iPad Pro, the next step for you is to find the right accessories. To get stuff done, you'll probably want a keyboard, and if you're into drawing or taking notes, a pencil is great. Apple just launched both of these with the iPad Pro. Also, a screen protector that feels like paper can make it even better. So in this video, we got you covered with 7 must-have accessories for your new iPad Pro M4. The new Magic Keyboard for the iPad Pro 2024, unveiled at Apple's Let Loose event, introduces several key improvements. Firstly, the keyboard is thinner and lighter than previous models, despite the iPad Pro 2024 being Apple's thinnest tablet yet. Secondly, the new Magic Keyboard features a function row, providing easy access to essential controls like screen brightness and media playback. Thirdly, the trackpad has been significantly enlarged, offering a more laptop-like experience. Lastly, the keyboard's design has been refined, with an aluminum top case for improved durability. While the new Magic Keyboard carries a premium price tag for the 11-inch and 13-inch versions, these enhancements make it a compelling accessory that could help the iPad Pro 2024 become a more viable laptop replacement. The Magic Keyboard enhances the iPad Pro's functionality, making it a compelling choice for those seeking a laptop-like experience on their tablet. The OtterBox Statement Series Studio for the new Apple iPad Pro is a cutting-edge case designed for modern professionals, offering both protection and versatility. This innovative case features an adjustable stand for enhanced productivity, integrated protective technology to prevent damage from drops, and a convenient space to store and charge the Apple Pencil. Available for the iPad Pro 13-inch and iPad Pro 11-inch, this case showcases intricate engineering. Crafted from high-quality materials, including genuine leather and durable polycarbonate, the case offers long-lasting performance. Its detachable folio offers multiple viewing angles, perfect for typing, viewing, or drawing, while the magnetic closure ensures secure sealing for added protection and convenience. Whether you're working, streaming, or creating, the OtterBox Statement Series Studio for Apple iPad delivers style, functionality, and durability in one sleek package. The Apple Pencil Pro introduces groundbreaking features that elevate the drawing experience. With a new sensor, you can squeeze the barrel to access a tool palette for quick tool switching and color adjustments seamlessly. The custom haptic engine provides tactile feedback for intuitive interactions like squeezing, double tapping, and snapping to smart shapes. A gyroscope enables precise control by allowing you to roll the pencil for tool orientation adjustments. Rotating the barrel changes pen and brush tool orientations, mimicking traditional pen and paper techniques. Apple Pencil Pro also supports hover functionality for visualizing tool orientation before drawing. The stylus integrates with Find My for easy location tracking, features a magnetic interface for pairing, charging, and storage on the iPad Pro. This advanced stylus is a game-changer for iPad-based workflows, providing a feature-rich and intuitive tool for creative tasks. The pluggable USB-C stand dock is a versatile accessory that combines an adjustable iPad stand with a comprehensive USB-C hub. The stand features a double-hinge design, allowing users to tilt the iPad for optimal viewing and camera positioning. The hub portion offers a wide range of connectivity options, including an HDMI port for external display support, 2 USB-A ports, an SD and micro SD card reader, an audio jack, and dual USB-C ports, one for power, pass-through up to 100 watt, and another for connecting the hub to the iPad. The 100-watt pass-through charging ensures your device stays powered during work sessions. It is a well-designed solution that enhances the functionality of the iPad by integrating a capable docking station. This combination of a sturdy stand and a feature-rich hub makes the pluggable 8-in-1 USB-C iPad dock a compelling solution for iPad users seeking to enhance their productivity and connectivity. Introducing the ultimate charging solution for all your devices, the revolutionary charger equipped with 4 USB-C PD ports and advanced power distribution. Whether you need 100W for a single device or up to 165W across 4, this charger intelligently adjusts to provide the optimal charge. Powered by cutting-edge gallium nitride technology, it offers faster, more efficient charging than ever before. Certified with CE and ETL, It ensures a safe charging experience. Its sleek space gray design, complete with a detachable power cord and convenient stand, makes it a stylish addition to any workspace. Compatible with the latest Apple devices, including iPad Pro, it's the perfect charging companion. It provides a convenient and fast charging solution for a variety of devices, making it a useful addition to any tech-savvy's arsenal. So upgrade your charging game today and experience the power of convenience and speed. With the new bigger iPad Pro, you will need a screen protector compatible with its size. The magnetic screen protector is specifically designed for the iPad Pro 13-inch, ensuring a perfect fit for your device. Featuring convenient magnetic edges, this protector allows easy attachment and quick removal, maintaining a flawless view of your original display. The specially treated surface provides a paper-like feel, ideal for professional-level drawing experiences. With bubble-free installation facilitated by the magnetic attachment, this protector works seamlessly with a tempered glass screen protector under 0.33 mm thick, offering enhanced screen protection. Experience the blend of innovation and protection with the iPad Pro 13-inch magnetic screen protector. With the new iPad Pro, you will probably want an AirPod too. We got you covered with the best AirPod, Apple AirPods Pro. It offers an impressive audio experience with the Apple-designed H2 chip, delivering richer sound and unparalleled noise cancellation. Experience up to twice the active noise cancellation, perfect for immersive focus, and enjoy the world around you with transparency mode. Customizable fit with 4 silicone tip sizes ensures comfort and an acoustic seal all day. IP54 rating promises resilience against dust, sweat, and water. Control is at your fingertips with intuitive stem touch controls for volume, playback, and call management. Long-lasting battery life offers up to 6 hours of uninterrupted listening, extending to 30 hours with the MagSafe charging case. This case also introduces precision finding and versatile charging options. Elevate your listening with AirPods Pro, where technology meets magic. So this is the top 7 must-have accessories for iPad Pro M4. Which one are you getting with your new iPad Pro? Please let us know. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.